run a small business, but who's running your HR?
What's that?
Do you have an HR manager? When's the last time you had an HR audit? Do you have an HR hotline? My last question to you is this. What are you waiting for? One complaint against your company can turn your world upside down.
Where are you? Where's Pookie? 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 Come here, Pookie. Come here, buddy. I don't want to go on the Jackie, though. Hi, Pookie. So, it's Saturday. It was beautiful before, now it's starting to cloud up, but it's, according to my calculations and my dashboard, it's 56 degrees, so Pookie and I are going to go to the North Shore of Long Island, take a walk on the beach. Just take a little walk down there? Huh? Okay. Get that shit there. Let's go. You ready?